Meaning of ecumenical.
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 Ecumenical. The term ecumenical refers to something that is universal or inclusive, particularly in relation to different branches of the Christian Church. It can also be used more broadly to describe efforts towards unity and cooperation among different groups or religions. An ecumenical approach seeks to find common ground and promote understanding and collaboration amongst diverse communities. Ultimately, the goal of an ecumenical approach is to create a more harmonious and equitable society that respects and celebrates differences while also fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose.